Vijay, Namaskar. My name is Indrajit Saha. I am the executive chef of Safal Mumbai. You must be thinking why I am here. I'm here to present to you the food of Bali or Indonesia at Safal Mumbai. This is happening in Ponjeri Cafe. We have Chef Isep who is coming from Safal, Bali. This is a cross promotion what you're doing with Indonesian and Balinese food in Mumbai. In other way, we also have sent our chefs over there. So it's a big hotel brand we have, Sofitel. So we exchange our chefs. The talent what we have in the company, we exchange all the time. It's not spicy food, but it's a balance between flavor and spice. So that's why it's one of my favorite. That's why I think people will like this food.
Hello, my name is Isep. I'm from Sofitel Bali Nusa Dua. I'm coming to Mumbai to cook Indonesian food in Sofitel Mumbai BKC. Now I want to cook something special from Bali. We call it Ayam Betutu. Roasted chicken with a lot of spices, Indonesian spices. One by one the ingredient that I use for cooking. The first one is lemongrass. Taste is very freshness. And then also galangal. And then we use also lime leaf. And then next one is chili. Very spicy, and then ginger, shallot, and the last one is garlic and lime. And then all the ingredients we mix together, we blend it, but much better we blend it with hand. We're using some stone in Bali very properly, and then the texture, the taste will does it, and then will come out all the flavor. Squeeze the lemon into the chicken like this, and rest 5 minutes. So all the ingredients that I mentioned there, we blend together, and the result will be like this. In Bali, we call it bumbu genep. Bumbu genep is mean is fixed spices after that, and we will rub it with all the ingredients like this until the inside. Plenty of the ingredients for good because the flavor will be inside the chicken, and then we will wrap it in banana leaf. I will cook the chicken into the oven and I will roast it 2 hours in low temperature. Okay, this is it. Almost 2 hours we cook it, the chicken. See the result. Nice flavor of the Ayam Betutu. Nice color, nice flavor. In Bali, very famous, the Ayam Betutu. Enjoy.